Did you know two closely parallel moving boats can attract each other? Sounds like magic, right? But it's all physics. When boats move, they create waves. These waves are higher on the sides farthest apart, but in the narrow gap between the boats, the waves are smaller and lower. This difference creates a pressure imbalance, a lower pressure in the middle, pulling the boats together. This is the same principle that makes airplanes fly, the Bernoulli effect. So next time you see boats drifting closer, remember, it's not just the water, it's the science making waves. Follow Arrow Edge for more.